everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I have made my camping photo journal, or outdoors photo journal I think is what I'm calling it. And I had one piece of 12 by 12 paper left over. And I wanted to make something with it. If you guys haven't seen this collection, the imagery in here is just beautiful. I guess I'm attracted to the teal and orange, turquoise and orange combination, and it's fall, so of course it's appropriate. But I mean, even if it wasn't, how pretty. I mean, this is the rest of that page. How pretty is that? So I wanted to use it. Now, as you may know, I live in my RV and we travel a lot and we're going to new locations all the time. And one of the things I want to do is make sure if there is an emergency, I'm prepared. So I'm taking this old dry erase board. Now, if you don't have a dry erase board, you could actually use a frame. The reason I'm using dry erase is because it's lighter. You could use a frame with glass, but you know, again, if you live in an RV, you don't want glass. So I'm taking, actually, can I get this off? I can. This is the part of the dry erase board where you put your dry erase marker. And it's a little banged up, so I'm covering this with some fabric washi tape I had in my stash. Just because this orange is a gorgeous color and will go along with what I have. Now I'll probably go back and add a little bit of glue to where I have the washi tape just to make sure it stays on, but for the purpose of this quick little tutorial and project share, I just thought I'd leave it off. I'm not covering the corners because they're in pretty good shape, and it sort of looks nice. So I cut this a little bit larger than what our frame is, and I am just going to take it and insert it in the bottom, because the outside, actually this is the bottom, the outside frame on here has a little give to it, and I can go down and then I can go up just to tuck this in just by pushing down, and that will fit right into my little frame. And then I took this, I printed this off on my computer, so it says in case of emergency, address of campground. I also put my a place for name, date of birth, insurance ID. I don't know if you need that, but let's assume you do. I mean, when you're calling for an emergency, it depends on what kind of emergency it is. If you need a tow or a jump start, that's going to be different than a medical emergency, obviously. So you can decide for yourself which would be the best kind of information to put. I'm going to put this, I guess, centered on the top just so I can see some of the design. And then I have another piece of acetate. Now, if you're using a regular piece of glass, you don't need the acetate. But again, I need things lightweight and non-breakable. And I'll put that in here. I'm pushing it up on the top. Get into that corner. There we go. So now I can I'll take my little marker piece thing, and that fits right there. Well, I guess it goes the other way. And where is my dry erase marker? And we'll put the phone number. So now every time you go to a different campground, change this so you have your address, because the last thing you want to do if you get into a place and there is a medical emergency, is try to look around and figure out what the address of the place is that you are at. So anyhow, that's just a quick little tip and how to use a piece of 12 by 12 paper or smaller. And this paper was gorgeous. I just wanted to use it. So that is my little project share. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.